Dear students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss Block 19 LP1 Identifying Key Events. Aim of today's class is to identify key events in a biography. Keywords are discussions and key event. Dear students, please observe this cover page. So what do you think we will read about today? We will read about Malala Yousafzai, who stood up for education, which was written by Soumya Rajendran. So, do you think this story is fiction or non fiction? Yes, this story is a non fiction because it is not a imaginary. This story is of a real girl called Malala Yousafzai. Yes, fiction. What do you mean by fiction story? Fiction story means imaginary stories. What do you mean by non fiction story? Non fiction story is about a real person's life. So, dear students, so today we are going to read about Malala and identify the key events in her life. For many of us, school holidays are the happiest time of the year. No exams, no teachers, no books, no lessons, no classes. But what if you did not have a school to go to? In many places around the world, poor children, especially girls, can't attend school. Malala Yousafzai was born on 12th July 1997 in Pakistan. Her father, Ziauddin Yousafzai, is a poet who also runs a chain of schools. Malala grew up in the Swat Valley of Pakistan with her two younger brothers and two pet chickens. She was named after Malalai of Mewand, a famous poet and warrior woman from southern Afghanistan. Malala and her father enjoyed their late night discussions on what was happening in the world around them. Malala's world was changing fast. A group of people who believed that girls should not go to school was forcefully closing down many schools for girls in the Swat Valley. They attacked girls going to school and destroyed school buildings. Malala was worried about this. She believed that everyone had the right to education. Why shouldn't girls be sent to school? How could she stay silent when she and so many girls like her really wanted to go to school? Ziauddin Yousafzai knew that his daughter was special. She was not afraid to speak her mind. In 2008, he took her to Peshawar to speak to a group of reporters about why she thought girls should go to school. Malala was only 11 then. Many newspapers and television channels wrote about her brave speech and broadcast it too. Later that year, some reporters from the British Broadcasting Corporation Urdu website had an idea. They wanted a schoolgirl from the Swat Valley to write an internet diary about her life. The job was a dangerous one, and few girls wanted to take such a big risk. However, Malala decided that she would do it. Her father knew it was dangerous, but he supported his daughter in her choice. Malala would read out her diary entries by phone to the reporters. Sometimes she would scan her handwritten notes and email them. Her first entry was posted on 3rd January 2019 under the false name of Gulmakai. Malala wrote not just about everything that was going wrong in the Swat Valley, but also about ordinary things like going on trips to buy bangles, the beauty of the mountains, and much more. But most of all, she wrote about her strong desire to go back to school and how disappointed she was that schools remain closed. Now, so what are so here now we go back to our lesson. So here, so what are some of the key events you found in the story so far? Some of the key events are: a group of people were destroying schools and stopping girls from going to school in Swat Valley. What have you learned about Malala so far? Malala speaks to newspaper and television channels saying that girls should be allowed to go to schools. She does the dangerous work of writing internet diaries. So far, we have learned that Malala is a brave girl with strong opinions and wants every girl in Swat Valley to study. Next, we go for part 2, generalized discussion. How did we find events in the biography? We found the events in the biography by carefully reading it and asking what is happening here. How do we know which events are more important than the others? We know that an event is more important if it has a big impact on the person's life or on other person's life. If we were to remove this event from the story, it would make it incomplete. Can you think of some key events from your life? Why do you think they are important? Many events take place in our life, but the ones that teach us lessons, help us shape our life, and grow to become better people are key events. So, all of you open English Workbook Volume 3 of page number 15 and finish S1. So, here fill in the chart with the key details from Malala's life. So, here you should write date of birth of Malala, family members. And why do you think this person is important? What are some of the important events in her life? Okay, and question number 2 is write down two key events from your life. Okay, so this completes your block 19 LP1. Thank you one and all.